dear Smart Kids children and parents, let me begin you all by wishing you all a happy new year 2021, filled with many successes and continued progress. Reviewing back, we continued our academic year 2020 through online classes despite of pandemic and COVID-19. Thanks to all the parents who extended great support to make our students to pursue their academic year without any break. Okay, so that is your parents had made you to come to online classes with providing you a mobile phone and all the facilities which you need for online classes. Clap to your parents. Ritikesh, clap one more time. Clap everyone. Sri Kruti, Chaitra, Abhiram, Bhargav, Varnika, Sri Kruti, Irasreshta, everyone, you have to clap for your parents. They have supported you all. Okay, good. So one of the things I appreciate most about our Smart Kids staff, that is your teachers, is that we are not silent about the things that matter, and together we continue to provide a high quality education for you all and families. We place a great value on seeing our students showing continued success and academic progress as they move through their academic journey while here at Smart Kids Attapur. Okay, I am excited to begin our work for the next term, that is from January to March, to ensure that learning continues whatever the situation is. Okay, as we ring in the new year 2021, we see this as an opportunity to check in with students and families to ensure that our students are on the track, prepared and ready for the second term of the year. Second term examinations are coming. Okay, are you ready? Yes. As we approach the next term, what I have observed is that students of Smart Kids Attapur are academically strong, and that our instructional and support team, that is your teachers, remains energized. Okay, so on this new year, eve of new year, I am giving you a beautiful opportunity that we have partnered with a company called TechBridge to support for the online classes from January till March, until the school physically reopens. Okay, so we are scaling high in our activities. Okay, clap for that also. So in any case, the academic year, physical academic year will be late. You will be put it in the best facility. Okay, and congratulations to our Smart Kids and Pallavi children, grade 1 to 7 onwards. We have a national level competition in abacus classes on January, and our children are practicing so very well. Your friends in grade 1 to 7 are practicing so very well daily, so that their competition trophy has to come to our school only. Clap for that also. Okay, so other activities, as you know, every month you have 100 many activities which were promptly and sincerely conducted by the teachers, and you are very happy with staying at home, enjoying the activities along with your parents. Is it not? Yes or no? Say thumbs up. Keep your thumb up. Yes, yes. So Smart Kids Attapur continues to strive to become a school focused on educational equity. That means everyone is the same. No fancy for the marks and all these things. Okay, every child is the same. Everyone is the same. And educational equity, and find unique and innovative ways to partner, support, and create opportunities that make your neighborhood school, that is Smart Kids Attapur, a place where all children enjoy learning, develop strong relationships, and continue to grow each day socially, emotionally, and academically strong. As always, thank you all the parents of Smart Kids Attapur and the staff of Attapur for your continued support. With regards, Annapurna ma'am, principal of Smart Kids Attapur. Okay, clap for your school. Wish you all a healthy and prosperous new year. So stay home, stay safe until the school physically reopens. We enjoy your activities, enjoy your learning with being at home, staying safe. Come back to school, physical school, with a healthy mind, academically strong, and become tall, chubby, and fair. Okay. So thank you all children and parents one more time. So are you ready for your tent party today? Indoor picnic. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. You bought your cake. You bought your fruity and chips. Good. Okay. So wish your friends and teachers and happy and prosperous new year 2021. I will not take your time. So you start your class activities. Okay. Unmute for 1 minute. Divya. The children talk. Yeah.
Happy
Yeah.
New Year, ma'am.
Thank you. Deva.
Happy
Yeah.
New Year, ma'am.
Thank you, Jasvika. Your fruity and cake is tempting. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, Dityasri. Thank you. Thank you.
Happy New Year, ma'am.
Divya, thank you for the cake, Jasvika. Jasvika, thank you. Thank you for the cake.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, 1 second, ma'am.
Yeah, you can unmute 111. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes we'll spend with our children and we can just continue with your activities. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
Dityasri, unmute yourself. Wish your friends a happy new year 2021.
Dityasri, unmute yourself.
Dityasri.
Are you able to unmute?
Yeah,
Happy
wish.
New Year, ma'am.
Thank you, Dityasri. Happy New Year 2021. Okay, next, you mute yourself. Your cake and the fruity is ready. Big bottle. Oh, very good. You're sitting in your tent with all your toys. So you watch your beautiful movie now, Ratatouille. Okay, cute rat. Okay, she wants to become a chef. Okay, beautiful story you have today, movie. Okay, so that link teachers will post you. Sit in your tent and watch that movie. Enjoy your day. Okay, next, Chaitra, faster. Lohitakshay, unmute and wish your friends Happy New Year. Faster. You're losing your time. Yeah, tell. Thank you, Lohitakshay. Next, Chaitra. Faster, quicker in doing it. One after the other, you can unmute. Thank you, Chaitra. Thank you. Wish you Happy New Year. Abhiram, next unmute.
Happy New Year, ma'am.
Thank you, Abhiram. Thank you. Real mango juice, very good. And Vaishnavi, unmute faster. Wish you Happy New Year. Unmute.
Year.
Thank you. I can't hear you. Unmute.
Happy New Year, ma'am.
Thank you. Wait, one after the other. First is Vaishnavi. We'll give her a chance. Say Vaishnavi. Kaivalya, mute yourself. Kaivalya Dalal, mute yourself. Rest of the children, you mute, ma. Shanmugh. Yeah, Srivant, mute. Yeah, Vaishnavi. Yeah, unmute yourself.
Yeah, I'll say the names.
Yeah, that's better.
Bhargav, unmute. Wish your friends, Bhargav.
Happy New Year, ma'am.
Thank
Very
you,
good.
Bhargav.
Jasvika,
Shanmugh.
unmute. Jasvika, wish your friends and ma'am.
Dear all, Happy New Year.
Thank
Very
you.
good.
Thank you, Jasvika. Hope you have a wonderful day today. Enjoy your tent party, indoor picnic. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Well
Very good.
done. Very good. Vaishnavi, unmute.
One
Unmute. I want to hear your voice.
Aditri, 1 second, ma'am. I'll unmute her. Aditri
Yeah.
and Vaishnavi, unmute.
Savitri, tell ma'am, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
ಹೇಳು ಹೇಳು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳು
Started to do her party. Aditri, Happy New Year. Beautiful tent. Beautiful soft toys.
ಹೇಳು Happy New Year. I am with Chintu ಅಂತ ಹೇಳು Chintu.
Chintu, very nice. Wishing your Chintu Happy New Year too. Very good.
Happy New
Enjoy
Year,
your.
ma'am.
Thank you, madam. Tent was decorated so beautifully. Parents, thank you all for the support you give for the activities. Thank you all. Yeah, children, you can unmute. If not, then, and I request all the parents, those. Yeah, I request all the parents. Thank you, Ritesh. Thank you, Ritikesh. Thank you.
Happy New Year, ma'am.
Anik Sharma, thank you. Kavya Kirtana,
Happy New
thank
Year,
you.
ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you all. Tent is beautiful, Sushant. Kanik Sharma, thank you.
Ma'am, Kanik wants to show your friends.
Yeah, very beautiful. Jungle night safari. Oh my God.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very nice. Night safari. Very good. Very nice. Thank you, Ritikesh. Very good. Varnika, beautiful. Thank you. Beautiful tent. Yeah. Very beautiful tent, Ira Shrestha. Very beautiful tent. Thank you, Varnika. Beautiful tent. Everybody have your beautiful tents. It's awesome. Ira Shrestha, your tent too is very beautiful. You can post your tents in the class group so that every one of you will watch, okay? Very good. And coming back, you can mute all that teacher, parents, class children, Divya.
Doing, ma'am.
So dear parents, so we're closing the speech, and I request all the parents to submit a Google form which will have your continued support for the next academic year to plan the things in a better way and to make the school a nice place. So I request you all to submit your Google form stating that we are there for the next academic year. That means if the child is in nursery, you are coming for LKG. Okay, so LKG child has to submit. The child is coming to UKG. Yeah, yes, ma'am. Yes, no. Next academic year. Okay. So the simple Google form, we'll send it to you so that our academic activities and the infrastructure and few things we wanted to develop. So it would be great help for us to do the things in a proper way by the time child comes physically to school. Okay. With this note, I will close my speech. So children and teachers, thank you all the teachers, smart kids, those who are really working very hard in this pandemic also. Thank you very much. So looking forward for your continued support and enjoy your day to day with indoor picnic, playing that movie. So let me know the feedback. Okay. Thank you all. Bye bye. Any parents wishes to talk, you can just do it for 5 minutes. You can unmute and you can just talk.